Ever imagined living forever? Meet the immortal jellyfish. In the vast depths of the ocean, a creature has been quietly defying the laws of nature. Its name is Turritopsis dohrnii, but we know it better as the immortal jellyfish. Unlike most living beings, this jellyfish doesn't bow to the inevitability of time. Instead, it has a unique trick up its sleeve. When it reaches maturity, or finds itself under stress, it can revert back to its juvenile form. This process is known as transdifferentiation. It's like hitting the reset button on life. Cells transform, taking on new roles and responsibilities, giving the jellyfish a fresh start. It's as if an adult could turn back time and become a child again. This cycle can repeat indefinitely, in essence, granting the jellyfish potential immortality. So, in theory, this jellyfish could live forever, defying the very nature of life itself. Now let's talk about a creature with a punch more powerful than a bullet, the mantis shrimp. This extraordinary creature, no bigger than your hand, is a marvel of the animal kingdom. It possesses club-like appendages, strong as steel, that are launched with such speed and force that they can strike with the velocity of a .22 caliber bullet. This is no ordinary shrimp, folks. The mantis shrimp's punch is so potent it can shatter glass aquarium walls. Imagine that, a tiny shrimp with a punch that packs a wallop. But it doesn't stop there. The mantis shrimp uses this powerful punch to crack open the shells of its prey. Even the toughest of crustaceans don't stand a chance against this little powerhouse. The mantis shrimp's strength and speed, combined with its precision, make it a formidable predator. It's no wonder these shrimp are considered one of the most formidable creatures in the ocean. Next up is the electric eel, a creature capable of generating 5 times the power of a standard wall socket. Now, despite its name, the electric eel isn't actually an eel at all. It's a type of knife fish that hails from South America's murky freshwater environments. Here's where it gets electrifying. This fish can produce astonishing shocks of up to 600 volts. That's enough to light up a bundle of 50 light bulbs. But why does the electric eel need such a shocking capability? Well, it uses these electrical discharges in 2 vital ways: hunting and self-defense. Imagine being a small fish, swimming around, minding your business, and then zap! An electric shock stuns you, leaving you helpless against the hungry electric eel. And if a predator thinks about making a meal of the electric eel, another zap! The electrical discharge acts as an effective deterrent. Truly a shocking revelation, isn't it? Now, let's dive into the world of the ultimate impersonator, the mimic octopus. This remarkable creature is a master of disguise with an incredible talent for mimicry. Imagine being able to transform your shape, color, and behavior to blend seamlessly into your surroundings. That's exactly what the mimic octopus does. In the blink of an eye, it can morph into a lionfish, a flatfish, or even a sea snake, fooling predators and prey alike. This isn't just a simple color change we're talking about. The mimic octopus changes the very texture of its skin and adopts the swimming styles of other species. It's like a living, breathing work of transformative art in the vast canvas of the ocean. The mimic octopus doesn't just survive in its environment, it thrives by being the ultimate chameleon. This clever creature takes the art of disguise to a whole new level. From the depths of the ocean, let's take to the skies with the Arctic tern. This avian adventurer is no ordinary bird. It's the reigning champion of long-distance travel. The Arctic tern holds the record for the longest migration of any animal on the planet. Now imagine this. Each year, this feathered voyager embarks on an epic journey from its breeding grounds in the Arctic, flies all the way to its wintering grounds in the Antarctic, and then returns. This round trip covers an astonishing distance of up to 44,000 miles. That's equivalent to circling the Earth almost twice. And it does this every year of its life, which can span up to 30 years. With the distance it covers, an Arctic tern can fly the equivalent of going to the moon and back 3 times in its lifetime. That's quite a journey, making the Arctic tern the ultimate globetrotter of the animal kingdom. Next, meet a master of disguise in the bird world, the tawny frogmouth. This feathered friend hails from Australia and its neighboring regions and has perfected the art of camouflage. Now, you may think, oh, a bird hiding in a tree, what's new? But the tawny frogmouth takes it up a notch. Its mottled brown and gray plumage mimics the bark of trees so perfectly that it becomes nearly invisible. This nocturnal bird stays motionless during the day, blending seamlessly into its arboreal surroundings. Predators pass by, oblivious to the bird's presence, and potential prey remain unaware of their lurking danger. This effective camouflage isn't just about survival. It's also a strategic hunting technique. By becoming one with the tree, the tawny frogmouth can patiently wait for its dinner to stroll by, completely unassuming. Now that's what we call a perfect blend. From the small to the gigantic, meet the largest and loudest animal on the planet, the blue whale. This marine behemoth dwarfs every other creature, stretching up to 100 feet in length and tipping the scales at an astounding 200,000 pounds. That's equivalent to 33 elephants. But it's not just size that sets the blue whale apart. Its voice is as mighty as its body, emitting calls that peak at 188 decibels. These underwater serenades can travel over 1,000 miles. To put that into perspective, a jet engine at takeoff reaches a mere 140 decibels. These booming calls serve as long-distance greetings, allowing blue whales to communicate across the vast expanses of the ocean. So next time you whisper a secret, remember, a blue whale's whisper can be heard 1,000 miles away. Size truly does matter when it comes to making a big impact. Not all architects are human. Meet the Macrotermes bellicosus, a termite with a knack for construction. These tiny insects, found in sub-Saharan Africa, build towering mounds that would make even the most creative human architects turn green with envy. Using a combination of soil, saliva, and dung, they construct intricate structures that can tower over 8 meters high. That's equivalent to a 2-story building. But it's not just about the height. The genius lies in the design. These mounds are not mere piles of dirt, but intricate labyrinths, featuring a sophisticated ventilation system that maintains a stable internal environment. This allows millions of termites to live, work, and thrive together in a single mound. The Macrotermes bellicosus doesn't just build to survive, it builds to thrive. So next time you think of great architects, don't forget these tiny builders. These tiny creatures are truly nature's architects. Back to the ocean, let's talk about a creature with a vision beyond human capabilities, the mantis shrimp. Now this is not your average shrimp. The mantis shrimp's eyesight is so advanced that it can perceive polarized light, a feature that goes way beyond the capabilities of human vision. This unique ability gives the mantis shrimp a distinct advantage in the complex marine environment. Imagine being able to see a spectrum of colors that we humans can't even comprehend. That's the reality for the mantis shrimp. Its eyes are divided into 3 sections, allowing it to have trinocular vision and depth perception par excellence. This means it can accurately pinpoint the location of its prey, even in murky waters. But it doesn't stop there. The mantis shrimp's advanced vision also aids in evading predators. By detecting subtle changes in light and color, it can identify threats and quickly retreat, making it a formidable survivor in the underwater world. It's clear to see that the mantis shrimp's vision is truly out of this world. Finally, let's delve into the deep with a living fossil, the frilled shark. This deep-sea dweller, with its prehistoric appearance and sluggish movements, stands as a captivating paradox in the fast-paced world of evolution. An uncanny relic from an age-long past, the frilled shark has remained virtually unchanged for millions of years. It's as if time itself has forgotten this creature, allowing it to retain its primitive features and characteristics. With its serpentine body, fringed gills, and rows upon rows of needle-sharp teeth, it's an echo of an era when life on Earth was just beginning to explore the depths of the ocean. Despite its seemingly lethargic demeanor, don't be fooled. This ancient mariner is a formidable predator in its own right, stealthily hunting its prey in the inky blackness of the deep sea. A living testament to evolution's past, the frilled shark truly is a creature of mystery. So, there you have it. 10 unbelievable glimpses into the wonders of the animal kingdom. From the immortal jellyfish that defies death, the mantis shrimp with a punch that rivals a bullet, to the electric eel that generates shocks 5 times stronger than a standard socket, the diversity and capabilities are astounding. We've seen the master mimicry of the octopus, the epic journey of the Arctic tern, and the unassuming camouflage of the tawny frogmouth, the blue whale, the largest and loudest creature on Earth, the architectural genius of the termite, and the mantis shrimp's advanced vision. All demonstrate the remarkable adaptability and skills of these animals. And let's not forget the frilled shark, a living fossil that serves as a reminder of the deep-sea mysteries yet to be uncovered. These are just the tip of the iceberg in the animal kingdom. As we continue to explore, there's no doubt we'll uncover even more astonishing facts about the animal kingdom. Until then, keep exploring.